All right, and lastly, our Pisces people. The shows. Okay, wow, okay. Found photos. Ghost honey. Ah, okay. The curtain. All right. Get it. Okay, Pisces people, kung naglaylo kayo sa relationship, I don't think na makakapaglaylo pa rin kayo this time. Okay? With the cards that I got for you guys, I don't think na mabibigyan pa kayo ng chance na maglaylo because for some odd reason there are people or yeah, na hindi lang isang tao, there are like people that will come into your life na masasabi mo ang familiar. Though you met them, parang na-meet mo lang sila for the first time, pero sasabihin mo ang familiar nito mga to, parang na-meet ko na sila before. And yes, malaki yung possibility that you have met them in the past. So, this season, pag tumama ang eclipse, malaki yung possibility na yung soulmate mo, ma-meet mo. Okay? Kung single ka, yung soulmate mo, ma-meet mo. Kung couple ka naman, or if you're with a partner, then form of friends, like yung support group mo from your past lives might appear this time. And napansin nyo, parang in-isolate kayo eh. Parang in-isolate kayo for, it's either pinili nyo mag-isolate or in-isolate kayo ng pagkakataon. This time, hindi nyo na magagawa yan because your tribe is coming. Okay? Paparating sila. When it comes to your finances, I don't know. Yeah, wag lutang. Wag lutang. Make it to a point that you pay your dues on time para hindi mag-accumulate ng interest, para hindi ka rin ma-overwhelm. All right? So, in the event that may influx ng pera ngayong season na to, make sure that you save some so that you can advance for some payments kung in the event na may mga utang kayo para gumaan-gaan. Okay? Yun lang.